There are a lot of reports that even the DGCA, sir, is understaffed and that you don't have enough people. This also came up during flight safety when this terrible air crash took place in the month of June in Ahmedabad, that many of the key areas in this country are understaffed at the moment. What are you doing about staffing?
We have hired 190 people in the last 4 months, and the understaffing comes from the point that the DGCA, the major vacancies that have been listed right now is due to the restructuring of the DGCA that happened 2 years ago. And once the restructuring happened, once the post came into being, then immediately we have gone into the recruitment process. But you have to also understand that civil aviation is a very technically sound subject. You need to have the experts being into this in those specific positions. It is not an easy way of recruiting people. You have to go through a thorough and rigorous process to do that. And also whatever is the bureaucratic process of going through the UPSC or the SSC, that also the thorough verification, everything takes time. But we have been stressing on this, that we need to be doing this at a very fast rate. And that is why in the last 4 months, we have addressed 190 of them. And in the later stages also, definitely we are going to focus on this and do the maximum recruitment within the DGCA. But while saying this, I should also say that nowhere with the staff that we have right now, we are efficiently deploying them in such a way that never has any safety norm being compromised on the ground.
एक बड़ी एयरलाइंस जिसे सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डायरेक्टिव्स दिए हुए हैं कि आपको 1 नवंबर से वो सारे डायरेक्टिव्स इंप्लीमेंट करने पड़ेंगे। हाई कोर्ट ने उनको डायरेक्टिव्स दिए हुए हैं। सो दैट मींस उनको पता था कि ये उनको इंप्लीमेंट करना है। कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लग रहा है कि जानबूझकर ये चीजें की गई। प्राइमा फेसी इस तरीके की चीजें दिख रही है। आपने कमिटी रखी हुई है जो इसका पूरी जांच वगैरह करेगी। अगर उसमें इंडिगो दोषी पाई जाती है कि उन्होंने ये जानबूझकर किया, क्योंकि जो कारण वो दे रहे थे वो सचमुच में रिडिक्यूलस लग रहे थे, वो 4-5 फ्लाइट्स अगर डिले होती है तो कोई समझ सकता है, तो क्या उन पर कार्रवाई होगी? नंबर 1। और नंबर 2, आपने जो राजदीप सवाल पूछ रहे थे कि नए एयरपोर्ट्स बनाए गए कई जगह पे, लेकिन ये भी देखा जा रहा है कि जितने फैनफेयर में उन एयरपोर्ट्स का उद्घाटन हुआ है उतने वो एयरपोर्ट्स यूज नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, क्योंकि उसके आसपास कोई डेवलपमेंट नहीं है, कोई ज्यादा फ्लाइट्स वहां पर वर्कआउट नहीं हो रही है। ऐसे कई एग्जांपल हम दे सकते हैं।
So two quick questions. The first thing, definitely I am saying again and again that any kind of action that is required based on the incompetence of the senior management within Indigo, we won't hesitate to take any kind of action. We will definitely take whatever action is there. We want to follow due process here. We have a rule of law on this land, so definitely we are going to do. And for the second question that you have, we are not only preparing the airports for today, but for tomorrow also.